Recently, my coworker went on vacation to Japan, and I gave her $150 and I told her to buy me some cool Japanese gifts, something that she thinks that I would like. Obviously, you know, camera related. Happy to announce that she's been back a couple of weeks now. I have received the gifts, and this is Gifts from Japan, Part 1. Yeah, so at the beginning, I even was very surprised that I received multiple gifts instead of one. You know, knowing her budget was only $150, I was expecting one gift, not three. So right away, that was a huge plus, and I was excited. Now this is the Pineyflex. This is a toy camera. And at the beginning, I was like, what the? But after giving some consideration and looking at some of the specs, I thought this might be a pretty cool toy after all. Now, the Pineyflex does have a 41mm f2.8 lens. It does shoot images at 2592 by 1936. It shoots 720p video, 1280 by 720 at 25 frames a second. USB 2.0, and it only weighs 36 grams. Now, let me just give you guys a quick breakdown on what this camera actually really does. So it basically has three simple functions. It has for photos, it has video and audio. Now this camera does not have an optical viewfinder. It doesn't have a screen or anything. It's just pointing the camera where you think you want to create your composition, and then you push a little shutter button, and that's it. You don't really know. Has three different light modes, and that's how you know that you're switching in between. It doesn't even have a shutter sound or nothing. So it's pretty basic as it can be. Now it does shoot 720p video, which I thought it was pretty great for a small camera like this. So yeah, I took it out. Now, let's talk about the image quality just for 1 second here. Now, this is a toy camera, so I wasn't expecting this camera to be super good, and it's not. The photos coming out of this camera are super muddy. It almost looks like a paintbrush filter, but it does have some good qualities though on the video part. Now, the video part, it is only 720 but I was still very surprised on how good the videos look coming out of this toy camera. Now, it also has an audio function, which I kind of tried out, and I think it was okay. I mean, if you really need it in a pinch, it could work. It is also a little difficult on to choose your composition, since you don't have a viewfinder or nothing. You're just kind of pointing in the direction. Overall, for a toy camera, I still think it's great, and I had fun using it. That's gonna be pretty much it for this week's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That really helps out a lot. Subscribe if you guys are not subscribed already. Make sure you hit and smash the notification bell so you guys can get notified for future videos. And you guys be safe out there. See you guys next week. Peace.